Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This video is about how to use gelatin for making a clear beer. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe down in the corner. You'll make me very happy, and you'll get the newest videos directly in the YouTube feed. I really love my beer to be bright and clear. I think they look more drinkable. They look prettier. It kind of shows that I have control over my process, and I like that idea as well. But even if I buy a beer, I want my beer to be bright and clear. Of course, there are hazy IPAs and stuff like that it's all right if they're not bright and clear. But yeah, most of the beer I make and I drink, they should be clear. And there are several ways to do this. You can just leave the beer. If you leave the beer long enough, it should clear up, depending on which yeast you used. But most beers, they will clear up in time. You can also cold crash. If you bring your beer down to about 2 degrees, everything will settle out in the bottle or the keg, most of the time anyway. But often there can be a chill haze, or there can be some kind of haze that you either have to wait out a really long time or it just won't disappear. And there are several ways you can address this problem. Brewer's Clearix is an enzyme that breaks down large proteins to smaller ones. This will take care of chill haze. It also breaks down gluten, so you will actually make a gluten-free beer. You add this together with the yeast. And then there are several other products like Biofine, and I have Iris Moss here. You add this, or this is called Clear Wort. It's a Danish product, I think. I don't know what it's called in English actually, but it's kind of the same. They make this kind of gelatin when they add it to the boil, and that will draw out some of the proteins as well. But the easiest way is definitely gelatin. And it's really easy to use. The way I do it is I'll boil some water, fill the glass halfway up. It shouldn't be boiling hot when you add the gelatin. Let it cool a bit, and then add a teaspoon of gelatin. Wait 10 minutes. Just heat up the water again, let it cool off a bit, and then add it to the glass to fill up the glass to the top. And then stir it around, and it has to be totally clear. And let it cool for a bit and add it to the beer. And when you add it to the beer, it should be sanitized everywhere so you don't get anything in the beer. And of course, when I just open the lid on my keg and pour it in, it's not oxygen free. If you want to do an oxygen free transfer, you need one of these. But that's for another video. But basically is what I'm going to do is apply more pressure to the bottle than to the keg, and then I can just transfer pressure to the keg. But that's another video. Yeah, well, basically that's it. But the last thing you have to do is purge the keg. Pull the safety valve for 2 seconds and do that 5 times. Then most of the oxygen should be out. Yeah, and then just cool it down to about below 10 degrees Celsius. If you want it to go really fast, cold crash it at 2 degrees. But yeah, basically that's how you use gelatin. So it's been 4 to 5 days now, and as you can see, the beer is totally clear. The beer has been sitting under pressure for the entire time. If you take it off, the pressure off, and put it back on again, all the gelatin will get back up in the beer, and it will take 4 to 5 days again to make it clear. So do not touch the beer. Don't take the pressure off while the gelatin is working. And then the first beer you will pour will be basically mud. And then after that you have totally clear beer like this. So yeah, if you like the video, please click like and subscribe down the corner here. You'll make me very happy and you get the newest videos directly in the YouTube feed. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments or write to me elsewhere. Other than that, well, just have a happy brewing out there. Cheers.